Hello, I wanted to give you an update on the Fireball Mapping Project to let you know how that's coming along. We're 1 week into it, and to remind you, I'm picking up these spent bottles of Fireball whiskey as I find them around town, and I'm really not actively looking for them. I'm just, my eyes fall upon them as I'm walking the dog or going out for a run or something like that, and I'm picking them up and I'm putting them on this map here. So this is a map where all these things have been found. This is Liberty, Missouri, and you can see all these little yellow thumbtacks mark the location of different places where I found them, or some other friends have found them. So I wanted to kind of go over those. My friend Lydia found one down here on South Wales and Liberty Drive, kind of near Alexander Donovan School. There was one over here at Wellington Way, which is kind of between maybe the middle school or the community center and the library, perhaps. There was one on 291 and Murray Road that's near City Park. And then this part of town, we really get an awful lot. Friends Kathy and Christy found some near Heritage Middle School. There have been some along near Franklin School here, and this is just residential areas in this part of town near the historic district. And then way up north, kind of between the McDonald's and the Dairy Queen, my friend Ann found two also. So they are, this is just 1 week's worth of findings of people who are not actively looking for them, but just stumbling upon them. They are everywhere. I'm going to post a link to this actual map if you wanted to be able to kind of explore it yourself. And if you find any, shoot me an email or give me a note on Facebook. Thanks. Go be awesome. Bye-bye.